Hi, this is Arvind, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage chat in Bitrix 24. So let me begin by taking you to the Bitrix 24 website. On the left side of your screen where you see the collaboration, all you have to do is just click it open and you can see the chat and calls here, part of which I'm going to discuss in this video. Once click it, it will redirect you to this page where on the left side you can see the list of chats, the discussions, or the conversations that took place over the last few days. And if you see further left, you can see these icons here. Like we have a feed post where once you click it, it will take you to this page of feed where you can see these details. On the next, we have got settings. If you click this gear icon, this window will pop up where you can see the settings like general, notifications, calls, keyboard shortcuts. In the general, you can see like hide messages and recent lists that you can either click to enable or disable it simply. And you can see the birthday notifications of your colleagues that also, again, you can do the same enabling or disabling it. And then you have got the rest like show users, invited to Bitrix 24, then you have got use large smileys that also you can enable or disable it accordingly here, and the rest as well. Like you can change the visual theme here. It's an auto mode. You can either select a light or dark theme. And the next we have got this notification where we have two kinds of modes like simple mode and advanced mode. In advanced, you can see we have got this push notification, then we have got email, external client side applications. Either you can just go through the list here like personal chats, private chat messages, and public chat messages. You can enable or disable accordingly here. And similarly, you can also do it for the simple mode for the website, mobile app, mobile and desktop apps here. Then external clients, you can also enable or disable the push notification here. And then we have got calls next to it, calls where you can again enable or disable the camera. You can do the changes in the HD video. You can mirror the video here. You have the others as well, which are very self-explanatory. And next to it, we have got keyboard shortcuts, and these you can see it here. It's very self-explanatory, like search chats. What are the keyboard shortcuts here? For the open recent chat, you have the shortcut here, and the same goes for others as well. All right, so that was about the settings. And then if you go further up, you have the phone call where once you click it, a small dial pad will pop up on your screen. All you have to do is just dial the number like you do it in any phone. Click dial. All right, so once the call is established, you have these options like, record the video, you can mute or unmute, you can forward the call to anyone else, any other person that is, and you have the dial pad here. Once you click it, you can just dial another number and add that person for a conference call. And suppose you don't leave any, suppose there is no response in the other from the other side, you can just click this comment and use it. You can leave a comment here itself. And then you have the minimize option. Suppose you are on the call, you are very busy, and while talking over the phone, you want to do some work, you can do the multitasking here by simply minimizing it, and you can carry on with your work here while being on the call. All right, so that is about the phone call. And then we have got notifications. Once you click it, you can see all the notifications on the right side of your screen. Then we have got open channels where a customer or client can reach out to you, and where a lead is generated generally. The first point of contact, you can say, call it in this open channel with the customer. And social media pages like Facebook and WhatsApp also can be integrated here. So that's the best part of this open channel. And then we have got messages here where again we can you can see the list here, all the discussions that took place here. All right, so before I walk you through the chat, the messages, I would also quickly like to tell you about this create here. Once you click this create, you will have these options like personal chat where you can have one-to-one discussion with any of your colleagues. And then we have private chat where once you click it, you can select a group of people or you team, a particular team or department, and you can have a discussion. And in other words, you can say this private chat is where it only the invited users can view here the discussions here. And then we have got public chats. It's of course, which means whatever discussion that takes place here, whatever conversation that takes place here, everyone can view it and they can express their opinions here as well. And I would even suggest that public chat is the best option to discuss anything, any common topic in the public here in this public chat. And then we have got this HD video conference. This is something that I will explain it to you in one of my next videos. All right, so that was about this create these features. And then if you move a little further to the right, you have the HD video conference, which I just said that you can, that is something that I will explain it to you in one of my next videos. Then we have got invite, where once you click it, you can invite more users to this particular conversation. Say, suppose yeah, I want to use Arul or my colleague, I can send the invitation to him and he can be part of the conversation here. And then you can simply click to disable it or enable it, this notification. So I'll just keep it like this. And then next to that, we have got a message history, where once you click it, you will see these options here. Enter search text in this. You just have to type the keywords and search for the relevant conversation if you're looking for one. And the next, we have select date. Again, based on this, you can look for the particular conversation, the discussion. And the next, you have enter file name, where once again, if you type the keywords, you can search the relevant document or file here. And then you have got delete all messages, where once you click it, you can delete the messages here. But I won't, I will need it for later on. All right. So coming back to this particular section here, you can have a discussion. Say I have one of my colleagues, Prashant Rana. Let me just say hi to him. All right, so once he responds, I can show you certain features here. But anyway, since I have said hi, on the right side, you can see this drop down here, a small drop down. Once you click it, you will see more options like quote message, where once you click it, you can reply to this particular message. There you go. And below that, you have got a create task, where again, you can simply click this and create a task here in this chat itself. Just click it, and there you go. Chat has been created. I mean, the task has been created. You just have to start, finish, and you have the rest of the features here. And then you have got discuss in a new chat. So if I click this, it will take me to another window where the discussion can take place. Let me just show you. All right, so there you go. I just have to click it open, but not now. And discuss in feed. So what are the message that I'm going to type here? This will go to the feed page where everyone can view it and they can respond to it. And then you have edit and delete messages. These are very self-explanatory. And below that, in this chat box, you also have these features like click to upload file. Once you click it, you can select any relevant file or any document which is related to this particular discussion or project or any conversation. You can upload it here. Let me just show you G7 designs. This is what I'm going to upload it here. There you go. And if you click the right here, you can simply copy the file and share it with someone else. And then you have the quote message, create tasks. These I just explained to you. All right, so coming back to this one, after uploading this particular document, you have these options like these features like general chat, where you can mention any of your colleague, coworker, and then you have got these commands here, shortcuts to enhance your text, and then you have the emojis to express yourself, and finally you have these chat bots and chat apps. These can be integrated in Bitrix 24. All right, and then we have some other quick actions to take place. Suppose, okay, let me just show you how it works. All right, so let's go for the Spring chat, for example. If I click right, you have these quick actions like send message. If there is any message that I want to send, I can simply send it here. And then you have other features like pin conversation. Suppose this is an important conversation that I want to pin it on the top of the screen, that I can do it by simply clicking it. So, and then we have got this disable notifications. Of course, it's very self-explanatory. You can simply disable any notification. You can check the message history, and then you can rename the chat if you want. Let me just show you how it works. Once you click it, ping chat, and there you go. All right, so I have renamed it as G7 project. And then you can hide chat and quit the chat as well. Hide chat is where you can simply hide it right now, but if any user responds to any message, he or she sends any message, this will again appear here. And then you have these features as well. You can simply select either you are online, you are going for a break, you are away, or you can select do not disturb here by clicking it. All right, so that is how you can manage chat in a Bitrix 24. See you all again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.